In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and use the text box tool in Samsung Notes. Let's get started. First, make sure that you are not in reading mode. By default, when you open a PDF file in Samsung Notes, you will be in edit mode, so you're good to go. If you ever tap on reading mode by mistake, just tap it again to go back to edit mode. Now, tap on the text box icon located right here. So this will allow you to type and add notes anywhere on your page. Once the text box appears, click and drag it to place it exactly where you want it. I'm going to add a note on this calendar page, so I will move the text box to fit neatly inside the box. You can also adjust the text size by tapping the font settings right here. And I'm setting mine to size 2 so it fits nicely inside the calendar space. Another way to edit the text is to tap and drag the text box until you see this pop-up menu. From here, you can play around with different font settings. You can change the size, alignment, or font style depending on your vibe. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add and customize a text box in Samsung Notes. And I hope that helps, and I will see you in the next video.